In this video, I will show you how to make Fiverr gig easily. So first, what you need to do is go to fiverr.com and then click on join to make account or just log in with Google account. Select your Google account. After that, go to your profile and make sure that you are in seller mode, otherwise you cannot make gig. Then go to my business section and select my gigs. Here you can see impressions on your gig and clicks on your gigs. You can see last 3 months results from here. After that, if you want to create new gig, click on create new gig. But remember, you can make maximum 4 gigs per account. After that, if you want to check your earnings, go to my business tab and select earnings. Here you can see earnings from Fiverr. So that's it for this video guys. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.